Today we're going to continue working on this incredible technology's Target Toss Pro. Previously we finally got the monitor working. Today we're going to be working on this control panel. If we take a look down here, you can see that it unfortunately has been broken away from the rest of the cabinet. This is most likely due to somebody not having this latched in some sort of home environment, and that unfortunately makes it so the only thing holding this control panel on is a little bit of glue and some air staples. You need to have these latches because not only do they keep people from breaking into the machine, it keeps your control panel from just being yanked on and ripped off. And here we got a better look at the damage. As you can see, somebody has tried to repair these previously with some drywall screws and I guess some wood glue, and obviously that didn't work because they didn't learn their lesson about those latches. The reason I know they didn't use those latches is because they're in perfect condition. They would be a little bit bent if they were latched and this happened. After removing this board, you can see it's been broken and glued multiple times, and it's just too far gone. The wood is soft. We just need to replace this board. Now, originally, this probably would have been made out of black melamine. Unfortunately, I don't have any black melamine. I have white melamine and untreated, well, not untreated, uncoated melamine, which is what we're going to use. You don't really want to paint coated melamine like this because the paint will start peeling very quickly if you don't do a lot of prep work. So it's going to be easier to use this, and for a low visibility area in a small section, you will not be able to tell that this is there once it's painted a nice smooth black. And we got our board cut and grooved. Now there's a few other things we need to do. One, we need to add this chamfer to this bottom edge. So let's do that. And there we go. Holes drilled, chamfer made. One last thing to do to this thing. And the final thing was to add those wings. Originally it would have had them so they would have slotted into there. Now it makes it a little bit more difficult to assemble because originally they would have put that in before they put one of these side panels on. So it'll be a little bit difficult to actually install, but I have my ways. Now, I gotta go and get all of this edge cleaned up, remove all of the old wood, all of the old glue, get it nice and ready for our new board, and I also gotta go paint our new board. So, I guess I'll see you in the next part.